this. Some with some vibes. Here's my storm. Hard. That young kid like a yo. Watch out! Alright, where is the MC now? Right now it's showtime now. With the real big man MC. DJ Roy, what do you have to say?
Thank you, Rory. And don't forget, next Saturday, inside Amazura, Big Team Q Club reunion, Rory will be there. Massive B, Bobby Condas and Jabba will be there. And of course, Road International Genesis anniversary, and we celebrate 55 years of independence. So now, this is the segment that I really am excited about. The foundation segment featuring some of our top veteran artists who paved the way for the Bounty Killers, for the Beanie Bands, for the Vibes Cartel and all the Wagwan right now. If it wasn't for them, in the trenches, in the dance, a DJ, and you have the Peanut Man and everybody have good time from back in the days, we probably would be here doing Soundfest. So make we kick it off like this. Please welcome to Soundfest 2017, all the way from Kingston, Jamaica. Make some noise for General Trees! Heart and live the island, no donkey beat up. And you see, heart and live the island, no donkey beat. They can pull out the white and the t-shirt. And show the chemist pass to one test that. They can pull out the white meat. And the tree never kill donkey. And the sell that they believe. They can pull out the white meat and the t-shirt. And my girl, oh, tell it. Keep on tell me. Give it the man. And the boy, no one the ho-ho, down the hill. Give it the man, and the boy, no one the ho-ho, down the hill. Because who are the record to eat up meat? But it's a man come right, it's a seat, you know, you about them, I know. Yeah, you eat, who tell my friends and yam dog meat. Some people say what? Right up them coming out the restaurant, I'm the cheetah kitchen. Now the family with my children, eat the beef cause it's coming at him. Oh, you should know, say I'm even at the tail, but he will in the kill. I'm in the table, he'll get a post. Dog out, I won't call in. Some will give me like some foreign take, but I must see an except. Glory! Call it. It's a one of the people. They call you Belgium now. Josie, Bricky, Johnny Wanda.
Yeah. Yeah, man, for real, man, the back in the deal, you know. People! And all right? New York, could have good, the colonel there. Boy, it's a pleasure to be here, man.
Mr. Molo.
One day I must get, me know the people must say, I look at John that, but one day I must get big. Remember that. One day I must get big, you can't only cloud white. This is the music, don't beat. And you have me something that don't beat? Yeah, man. Remember this? Remember? It may look all them workers so hard. I can't stop it. I just see them look a boy, so the same way. Look. It may look how them workers so hard. I can't feel me name go abroad. I talk about me smoke ganja. I talk about me. Here what? Look here. I'm not afraid of flashing. I'm not afraid of flashing over my back. I'm not a. What do you think of that? No, what a mix, what a mix. But the dance all cock, look how the dance all nice. Everyone a jump up, everyone a back. Let me hear it from the posse. like the Jamaican posse, and to everybody. Stop! It be massive, are you ready? Run, come to Lake John Rocksteady. General,
Share with him. Yeah, kind of like a John thing. We have a blessed place now, John. I don't know what it says. I can't sing right now? No, I'm not trying.
Listen, hold on, stop it. Trees, you see much people out there, sir?
Yeah.
Man, you're dead out there, you know. Nobody we're not singing, you know.
I'm not singing.
Come, we kill you.
We know me kill you too.
Alright, so.
Johnny Wonder, keep on saying. God bless the people. I'm a donor. He didn't believe and people come to Jamaica and try. We're not sorry, oh, but not than them. Not than them. Johnny Wonder. They didn't believe and people come to Jamaica and drive another conductor. They didn't people come to Jamaica and drive another conductor. I go. All the jolly bus gone. All the jolly bus gone. How about you want to go to the grill? Hurry, went to me. I'm gonna take you to whichever cent on me and don't feel no way. I'm gonna buy one baby. I wanna get some tonight. I said she wanna go to Canada, send her on an eagle flight.
Lord, I've been trying a long time, but I can't make it. Everything I try to do seems to go wrong, yeah. So wrong. Look here! Seems like I done something wrong. Why they try to keep me down? But who God bless, no man curse. Thank God I'm not the worst. Better must come. Say you ever. Better must come.
Mama talk to you. Tell them me why. That's it me woman again. I'll go and squeeze me girlfriend. Cool and like the current. Tell them me why. With me woman again. I'll go and squeeze me girlfriend. Cool and like the current.
Stop it!
Say no want me sing with you.
Me know why you sing yet. Why me sing that one now? You sing. Carlton Livingston, draw close. Carlton Livingston, draw close.
That's all style.
Stop it. But remember this? Me girl all over me. Stop it. Me girl all over me. Me girl all over. What do we say? Look here. All over me, big girl, all over me, girl. All over me, big girl, all over me. Run with me, but I just tickle me back. Got me say massive. Are you ready? Oh! Run, come to Lincoln. You think that? More you know sing that one with me. People, help me sing that one. Remember that one? Me sing, say what you say and do what you're doing. Cause I've got something, baby. Sing no, only can because crowd of people. Again I say, oh, yeah. You think that? You think that? What the mix there? Whoa, nobody give me that nigga like a shibudo. Stop it!
So them style there. Squeeze this one off on them selector. You feeling alright?
That's what I jump too hard.
Listen, we woman should. Trotting through the jungle with Charlie City. Having no fear of no. Wheel and come again. John. Tell me if there's a way to dance.
Hey, stop it, man. Stop talking to people, them. People, let me tell you this. Our thing never outdated yet. And that's true, we have to give the youth them a try. And nothing wrong giving the youth them a try. Can we say massive? Tell me sound ready. Yeah. Sing out, yo.
Oh.
Can't tell the star, really.
Listen. Trotting through the jungle with Charlie City. Having no fear of no Babylon man. Trotting through the jungle with Charlie City. Having no fear of no Babylon man. And if you just can't take it no longer, I've got to go back home. And if you just can't take it no longer, I've got to go back home.
Can I touch on the piece? Trotting to the dance with the chalice in me, yeah. When I smoke the chalice, he give me meditation. So I will always start as a ganja woman. Run, come, take the chalice, you feel run, come. Place the chalice, no run, come, take the chalice, you feel run, come. Place the chalice, me nah go lick it with no prentice. Me nah go lick it with no prentice. Cause if you hurt up your gum, you want to go a dentist. Hurt up your gum, you want to go a dentist. Say chalice to chalice, no fuss nor fight. Say chalice to chalice, every dread that you died. Trotting to the jungle with the chalice in me, yeah.
My true confession. My true confession. My true confession. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Well, I'm alive with a full of well, I sit in a circle. I see the fire.
John, this is not
My true confession. My true confession. We sing part of him, lady. Any rhythm. Ooh, yeah. When I'm alive with a full of well, I sit in a circle. I see the fire. I'm big guy. What can you do? That's why. Confession, look at me, that's the way we did it. Magazine, and I know all of us are the weather. She goes out, and she still want to listen to me. But when I call her up, I'm not your brother, just she tell me, say she love the good job indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she wouldn't. You're the part of them life. Because I know she wouldn't listen to me.
I turn the boy for me, call her you. I turn the boy. Yes, I test my body.
What on? Stop it. People, what on? Let me talk to people. You see, Lady Ann, I'm a mama. Lady Ann, I look at John, mama. You see the big tune we see have, I hear tune. Touch it, mama.
Yo, I want to run with kids fast. Don't them say, from now grow, don't them say, ladies before gentlemen, no. When I notice all the man, them just a bum rush me. Them just a bum rush. Low, bounce it low. Now 50 yard, no shame on me age. Don't play me like me at 16, play me like me at 50 yard. I saw no boy for me, can I hit farmer? I saw no boy for me, can I hit farmer? Cause if I fight against me, I'm the over. Yes, if I fight against me, I'm the over. We used to move move close, now we move closer. Hey, him in a clocks, he in a roach killer. So no boy no love that, and go tell me father. He's not a dreadlocks, nor is not a Babylon. He's not a policeman, nor is not a soldier man. It was an informer. Murderer. Informer not the era. Murderer. Him under watching and a peeping. Murderer. Informer not the era. Murderer. Him under knock chatting. Murderer. Finish it now, no? You're going like your back, so. Finish it.
I'm a Bible, I'm a kid. I'm a final today, now take my money. Listen, my God, yes, I'm a Bible, I'm a kid. I'm a final tonight, I'll take my money. Level. I set us the right to keep a house party. Invite some of my friends, some of my family, some from uptown and down the country. They come in at my house and take me money. They can't say you come. The girl Harry no come on and away they come. In a passy, and me have to find out. And me quickly some say go and be a man them not go help me. If me tell me say that Tom when I hurry. How it is that in charge me bag of money. I mean I want to use the one wrongfully me I could try something we carry guarantee. Receive the Bible we only and there's something to keep me toasted. It's a JV. Hey, everybody follow me JV. Hey, it's the Bible and the key. Put the key in the Bible like a taking a wall. Tie them together and name Mr. Call by St. Peter. Bible said up here I can start ball. I you start to roll like rain the fall. Hurry up short, but I just start grow tall.
See?
Mojo. Anything enough? Anything right? Any rhythm?
Selassie, how you doing? Jesus Christ, Selassie, Lord, lift up. I just came to pay my respect. No, I'm here to fulfill my domestic capacity. I want to have fun with it. So I'm saying this because I always wish for the best things in life, and this is one of them. Rastafari, no. Now hear this. This one dedicated to me, I drink bun to kill and be the man. Who fight over angels, so you know Jamaica, no man. Protect your furniture because it's a very valuable piece of material. Everyone love it, say go on. Run it, Selassie. Love triangle. Lady Ann.
Nice.
Anton Livingston. Big John. General Trees. Selassie. Play me low, hear me now. Leave me the man and bunty when I don't see them a war. Leave me the man and bunty when I don't see them a fight. Leave me the man and bunty when I don't see them a war. When them get back together, then we have to stay far. Beanie Man and Angel was on TV. Well, Bunty Killer called me from in Miami. He say, hey, Colonel Juicy, do you think it is right for the doctor take me Angel and I say it's him wife? Me say, Bunty, me a bad man, me no live me till life. The way me watch my woman, me no sleep at night. Me walk around me house with a big flashlight, and if a pin drop, we love. After so many years, the love triangle. The love triangle. You say, woman furniture valuable and dangerous. That it get two brothers neck and neck. Yes, Selassie, I tell them, Lord, that one they name the love triangle. One know if his woman or his man have the angle. In them there's something chosen we don't tangle. People, let me tell you, living the man and Bunty when I don't see them a war. Living the man and Bunty when I don't see them a fight. Living the man and Bunty when I don't see them a war. When them get back together, then we have to stay far. Being the man
and Angel was on TV. While Bounty Killer called me from Miami. Him say, hey Colonel Josie, do you think it is right for the doctor take me Angel and I sends him wife? Me say, Bounty, me a bad man, me no live me till life. The way me watch my woman, me no sleep at night. Me walk out me house with a big flashlight, and if a pin drop, me dog a go bite. Oh no, it could not happen to me. Or I know Angel would end up in a UC with 2 years box and to Mike Tyson job. Would end up in a prison and she in a rehab. She'd have to give me back me house, me want back me van. Me not care if no one call me mama man. Me want back me change, she have to give me back me ring and every money when me spend up in a Burger King. Cause me never see Beanie a fight over Carleen. And look how she fat, sexy and clean, but it look like Carleen. Did I cook too much greens while Beanie man did what? I steal and butter bean. You want we love cheese, cheese.
Up, same with him. Can't even write anything in my own. Same time. Better than them. Better than them. Better than them. Best side. Best side. Best side. Pretty looks and sexy shape. That's not one of them out of every. Pretty looks and sexy shape. That no man love that's why them heart of a break. No pretty girl can be my lover. She me is jealous and me not jester. She couldn't get me ring my finger. A lot of people don't know me a super, and a lot of pretty girl a rush this a youth. Them a rush me like a weevil, rush flower. Some a hunt me like a Jamaican a hunt visa. And say that me precious mother water. Me no want a pretty girl. Them a heartbreaker, and then we said of me and have another woman like that to call him sweet and sour. You see the ugly one, let me say my baby. Hey, pretty looks and sexy shape, and that no man love less than them heart of a breaker. She pretty looks and sexy shape, that no man love less than them heart of a breaker. In a mutual relationship, but like me, sin a fire pretty girl me win, and a ugly one me place, because I know that to be a safe gambling. When a girl too pretty, happy muggling, and those type of lovers is very boring, and true beauty, love life in it. I want a girl be ugly and look like a sin, and the kid feel long like a calling, and they see it like a bar when she walk it a swing, and them pick a calm and look like a fin, and see them burn, a possible skin. Never tell she fat, how she slim, her bottom fit I like cause a living meme.
Yeah.
Bring it here. Bring it here.
Yeah. If you should hear something about me, come tell it to me.
I'm come to live in the sun.
Come tell it to me.
I'm something around with you.
Don't follow what
Never do that.
no one says. They're only trying to tear us apart.
Don't you ever follow rumor.
Don't follow rumors.
Rastafari look like
Don't follow rumors. I say don't follow those rumors. Now if you should hear something about me, come tell it to me. Come tell it to me. Don't follow what no one says. They're only trying to tear us apart. So say don't follow rumors. Don't follow rumors. It will tear us apart. Say don't follow rumors. Don't follow rumors. It will tear us
survive. That's why I'm saying, come and say, don't put it on for long, whatever I'm wrong, every day. Oh, yo, I'm say, don't put it on for long, whatever I'm wrong, you hear what I say? Listen me good. Come and say, rumor is not good, and rumor is not wise. It can make you kill your picnic and stab up your wife. Tie a rope round your neck and then you're coming suicide. Sit down, read your Bible, and you better think wise. Don't follow rumor. Come and say, don't follow rumor. Come and say, don't follow rumor. You hear what I say? I'm going to tell you one more time again. Them you're chanting out. General, don't afraid of you. When you just chant him out. The general don't afraid of you. Listen me good. While you're going from home to home, making disturbances. What is it say? Now this time you take a look in your life. You're so lazy man. Listen on trees. Don't they chant. My soul they lava. So they carry how you feel? So they bring it comes. They carry my name out on the street. They spread false rumors about this nasty dread. They say the dreadlocks carry a gun to shoot black people down. But no long, young wicked rain over Rasta pig. Israel. Who the twin? One up your foot. I show you clap foot. I show you clap foot. New York. Let me say, one up your foot. I show you clap foot. Show you clap foot. Stop it. Run. Why you? Link your time again. Why you? Listen, one up your foot, I show you class foot. Show crowd that people say you catch a ready. In me all who love me this yancy. In me all who love me this yancy. Don't bluff that I wish she sent to me. And the telephone this when she call me. So when the coach I don't know me love you badly. So when the coach I know me love. What a mix? At Miami she just had in Miami. At Miami she just had in Miami. Look for me and go right down to me. So when the coach I know you just I'm ready. So when the coach I look you look fancy. But make a big give you one of my style. Got me so massive, tell me sound ready. Look. Over here. I see the crystal raindrops fall and the beauty of it all. Stop it! Nah man. You can't sing? Hey, we say you want dead tonight. Huh? You want dead, you know? Watch me. When plant no one dead, that's why it's shooting. Nah shoot no. Don't change it. I'm not sorry. Anyway, level. Oh, you stop it. Level. Look how we can't sleep my any rhythm like John. Oh, we are talking about, we don't feel like this. Listen. Level. I will even know a mosquito, man. Then Monday destroy and drink like John. Oh, I am John. I don't know where some more mosquito come. Mosquito invasion. Him a come and a squeak you with the weapon. We have to chat about them, me have to chat them. Say mosquito little and bite so hot. Them say mosquito teeth sharper than axe. When you give me say one rat in the box, when a mosquito come with and me a lash. Will come and attend the mosquito flash. The me never catch him. Me no know what the ice starts like a dry coconut. Like me did enter a boxing match. Me get beat up and me do your to me go yellow. She tell me big one. So from me I have some question to answer. Now me have me bodies bite me and
a mask. I mean, I'm a lace, it's a man, them drop. It's a mask in the mind, you are your place of black. It not come from your Iraq. Pagan, I don't know where the one must get that come from. You think I just talk to Buntire, to Boro, can look on my loop, fit them build no gang. All them get weak, but them get strong. Now them are coming at tens of thousands with new plan, new formation. New type of way to attack the nation. Must in the coming a hard direction. From Hong Kong to Million. Some from US and some from London. Some from Europe and Vietnam. Missy mosquito shot, mosquito long. None of them know it. All of them strong. One drink of me juice, one your mouth me jam. Mosquito control all me dive on. And I sing them favorite mosquito song.
Jesus Christ, Lord, Selassie, Lord, went to a dance at Clarinda, they had a big fat thing there, how you doing? Selassie, no, just calm down, just concentrate on this like when you're having fun with your female companion. Yes. No, the time short. So this one named Belt. I saw some big man like my age bracket. I walk with them body cutter outside and I don't like it. So in this name, I don't care about what you do at home, that's your business. But I'm just talking about you coming to us with your pants showing your rear end. And we don't like it, they don't love it. Say, go on. Belt. Jesus Christ. Lord of mercy. Selassie, Lord. Hey! Listen, if you pull up your pants or your waist, and you know she says a big disgrace, for we don't want them dressing day in our yard. Now people out how we get. Well, hey boy, I wanna promote. It look like on the must be donkey or goat. Why is only animal walk with him body out the door? Me never dress so all when me poor. Now begging to move from side of me, yeah. Why you not too X-rated and raw? It's only Cecile and stations dressed around here. Pack a diamond and ladies are. People who don't know I'm not homophobic, but man mustn't dress so drastic. Boy, if you want a job for advertise dress, waist look I work with Victoria's Secret. He's up.
What are they? You know you don't rape me. Let me say all of the mothers them when you who know I'm not gonna be able to can't be able to full terms. That's muscle blank for me now. Kind of see the man them have bad up the things. Yo, Cherry, big up yourself. Bungs been nice alone now. When me talk about me baby, when me care for 9 months. You think I inform alone me have? Give me some ratings. Not what scraping, when we say bring it. In a labor word I tell you how you see. Now this is what the doctor say to me. Hey, in a labor word I tell you how you see. And this is what the doctor say to me. Himself push lady and push grab it, hold it, catch it up, and make the baby born. Hey. Push lady and push grab it, hold it, catch it up, and make the baby born. Hey. Some minutes to wonder when the pain is begun. A little rough a 2 when the head come to. A 5 past 3 me say me feeling irie. A 10 past 4 me say the baby and the 4. In a labor word I tell you how you see. And this is what the doctor say to me. So big challenge. Me not think you come in politics.
Stop it! You want me to come in, pan? You want me to come in, pan? Next year! You want me to come
in pan now, lady. Father looking sad, Father in stop school. Look like this and then I hope it fit too. Everybody know I sing low. She when I'm pregnant, you're pregnant. Stop it! Stop it! Hey, lady, hold on, stop it, people! Stop it, stop it, stop it! People don't know, say, a little boy, I'm normal, I'm not old for now. The youth are not old for now.
They're old already.
They're not old, but young man.
In front of you, I tell you,
At 25 years, madam, I'm not old.
I'm check it in the
Might be all 69.
Alright, then talk about them.
Mr. Music, will you please play? Mr. Music, will you please play? Yeah, lady, and let's talk about business. Mr. Music, will you please play? Mother looking sad. Father in start school. Look like it's on the rope, it fit too. Sick people. She wanna pregnant, pregnant. Family says she's sick, sugar. Family says somebody sugar. Yes, if I'm pregnant, you can't have it. But if you put me out, you are gonna sorry. Remember, she is the only pigling. Last night you told me you love me bad. She wanna pregnant,
No, mama.
Family says she's sick, sugar.
No, mama.
Family says she's somebody sugar.
No, mama.
Listen, what? No. Anybody in the audience love Mr. Lincoln Sugar Man and them here? Say yeah. I'm a godfather them. And them man they teach you good on music. I say Sugar Man at the day. You know what I say? What the mix there? Hear me no soup, hear me no style. Come on, this a dance, you know, make no boy. Buy off. Woo! You just buy off it. Stop it. Low again. I just say Tristan Palmer the day. Where would I do on this? Where would I say? Entertainment is a form of it. Nobody fighting at it. Make me enjoy it. I make me enjoy it. Look here. Come and say massive. Tell me son I'm ready.
We're ready long time. Long time already and waiting.
Bring it.
Now I'm going to tell you something now, people. You see, bad mind, envious and grudgeful is a dangerous thing. You know, and this one name, bad mind, I kill them. Yeah, I kill all for them. Listen, don't start. Bad mind, I kill them, I kill them, I kill them. Bad mind, I kill them, I kill them. Bad mind, I kill them, I kill them, I kill them. Bad mind, I kill them, I kill them. I'm coming now, look my enemy, me now make no friend. Me stand up like a Daniel inside the lion, then the lion could not harm the rest me up to me no more. But they will live for so, we are chewing another wheel belly, then 3 days and 3 nights come out alive, my friend. That is the guidance and protection that give him children. If not, we are Lazarus who raised from the dead. Our Jesus Christ who was sent to his end, bad mind, I kill them, I kill bad mind, I kill them. Listen up, people. But you can't judge a man for your house and land. In 2 bikes, in truck, and in minivan. And the decent money where he must spend, where we find some, and we must give to them. Bad mind, I kill them, I kill them, I kill them. Bad mind, I kill them, I kill them. A bad mind, I kill them, I kill them, I kill them. A bad mind, I kill them, I kill them. Become a rough, me tough, me say me tough, I'm in a bluff. Anything test me, no be in a handcuff. Run over them with a black Maria truck. And tell them say me rougher than Peter Touch. And tell them say me tougher than Tony Tough. I no talk, me a talk, and a bluff, me a bluff. Anything that the general get a gun, but boom shot again. Jesus Christ.
Hold up again. The man for real man.
Noise.
Selassie,
Could've touched so far and not touch this. Could've touched so far and not. Me come back with blood in me eye. Come back with blood in me eye, boy. Come back with blood in me eye. Come back with blood in me eye, boy. Colonel Josie Will. When you're there, Colonel Josie Will.
Lord, sweet Jamaica. Love me yaki and my saltfish. Savia man banana. Wheel up. This is somehow now going like on a stush. See me now record shop, but I hear Joseph Wells. I say yes. You sing that song not living here. I say no, I sing nah left, yeah. Some of the way you come twang through there for it. But I would love it, say go on. Selassie, proud of me, proud of me, proud of me, proud of me Highland, proud of hit. Proud of Jamaica, me proud of hit. Proud of me Highland, me proud of it. Now every time I remember jump down, water come by me eye. Every time I remember jump down, dreadlocks water come by me eye. We wanna sing sweet, sweet Jamaica. Love me hacky and my saltfish. And the big fat girl them. And the long marker want them. The one them with the weave on here. One them with the bleach out face. Ease up! No, this is brand new. Same tune. This one brand new. I want you to play me low because we have some younger one in the park and I don't want them to go away and say we shed some profound and derogatory language. So this one is called PUSHHEGOOD. Push E good. Jamaican language gola from Miss Lou. Push E good, not the standard English. Run it. Everyone love it, say go on. Selassie, Rastafari again. Jones the wheel again. Play me low. Well, any man when I watch a woman, them no love them. Me not stop watch my girlfriend. Woman, you can't live with them, you can't live without them. Woman is man greatest problem. So if I can't, you a push, girl, you pussy good. And if I bike, you a push, girl, you pussy good. You pussy good, you pussy good. You pussy real good. When we in a fall road, slippy and snappy the corner, them wide deep and them wetty. But they say, come here, Miss Betty, come make it in with the left girl away, make me happy, me have to give you trophy. You pussy good, you pussy good, you pussy real good. When me I give you money, girl, you notice me not check it. See me you pens, the girl go and go wreck it. The way she give me bud, me have to change my name to Bunny. Seem like me born in the middle. Everyone love it, say go on. Selassie, I love you.
Hi baby girl, come show me emotion. Tell me you come over, stop it. Let me explain myself to you. This one called Pum Pum Yam. You know yam name Pum Pum Yam? So I don't want to say, don't come and talk stuff. What am I saying, Junior? Pum Pum Yam. Really more. Better than them. Better than them. Best side, best side, best side. Hi baby girl, come show me emotion. Tell me come on girl, cross the woodland. Tomorrow morning after the motion, now make you a slice your bum bum yam. Shoot me one day, shoot me condom slam. Even if it is 30 and strong, think to get it up in the mother of the bang. And I go away stallion, when I yell and I kick up on the 12 furlong. Come on down with the extension. We burn back out and burn the program. You know only name no we mention. And I let the young don't send me out man. Me for baptize them with the rod of correction. Come baby girl, come show me emotion. Send me come over across the woodland. Tomorrow morning after devotion. I beg you a slice of your bum bum yam. Ram jam in a section. Original style and creation. I don't be no about from day one. But once you send up people and change the plan, he bring destruction down. I use them to run competition. I'm born a woman of a music anymore. I now join them winning program. One them out and them salon plan. I don't give it a run of correction. But I was going with extension. We turn the wheel, choke the jump. Some boy in a ram, some boy in a jump. All the boy them do the nom. This is like a party, can. Bring it.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Let's hear it for the veterans.
Yeah.
And I mean veterans.
Give me a little.
Bring it.
Lord of mercy. Now we are going to real Jamaica. I let up the sun. Lord of mercy. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Even no star. Down in Jamaica, we get the one on the one in the don't you know that's one and I'm 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 one. Well! Yeah, man, straight up. Run it way. Lord of mercy. Now we have got Brooklyn now, because we know no time so we have cut them short. But to the lyrics. Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ, after bringing one down in Brooklyn, me and me hydrant name Mr. Tapes. Lord, as we reach at the God's gate, the gate man up right up him ugly looking face. One thump in the gate, man and up is the laugh, one and jump and a shout. Amen. Bust up the gate and make the super come in. Bust up the gate and make the super come in. We used to give you dinner, oxtail and rice and peas, and Monday morning you get bread and greens. You sleep on my bed with me spread so clean. Now you take a dance gate, your face bend up and lay. Boom. It was in Brooklyn, people understand. That's where we keep a ram jam shaken. But say what you're saying and do what you're doing, because I've got something that not even money cannot buy, and that's the lyrics. All of them lyrics are mine.
What the same with him? What the same with him?
That one's the last right now.
Same answer there. Same answer. Me touch the last one. And move. Let go. Answer. Same with him.
God bless you, I'm going to take care of yourself here.
All in the love as well. If I don't know how to set me singing people. A lonely crowd and the bus had to work and they dreaming. Sing with me. The guy next to me, I'm a woman in his house, my arms are empty. Yeah. And how does it feel when the woman that you love says that, look, she loves me, yeah. And it seems unfair when there is love everywhere and there is none for me. If you know that part of singing, some guys have, some guys have, love you all.
Selassie, Nickel John, Virgin here, never change.
Yes, Colonel, respect.
Now you know and I know that some of the Virgin them that seems to not taking care of themselves and look like old kitchen down sadly, and I'm sorry for them. Guys, it's not about internal satisfaction. I love well dealing, say it. I want to die. I'm a casket 11 years now, red, green and gold, beautiful. But when I die, I want to die whilst I'm in the midst of making love. So I want to, that's called recycling. I want to come while I go. Everyone love it, say go on. Irish and cheap bad. Selassie, I will smoke some herb. Selassie, Charlie's have it burn. Yes, we know it have it burn. Rastafari again, Selassie with children. Respect to Peter Trust will say, in front of station, they got the piper bone. Smoke from the chalice, like the Babylon iron. Him get vexed, go clean up the machine gun. And come in and the dance one, come run dreadlocks. It have been burn. The chalice is off for the love it say one. Alright. Selassie, everybody, I beg you for something. So I'm gonna make you feel very nice, so man, God, I'm hard to find. Me and man always, I get some girl like Barbie and Antoinette and Shaniqua. One girl that can cook stew peas and rice, I like Daphne, Agiata, you see, Dinah and Ida, and then, everybody love it, say one. Run it, Selassie, children. Jano Sound Face, the best. And you bring out all the stars. Brigadier the General Nickel John, the man called General Trees, Lady Ann, everybody Rasta. Saying, this one I say, it name Rasta if you will. Please send a sexy girl for me to trill. Don't send me one who take the chicken pill. Or she might just get my willy kill, and then it can't stand still. I want a nice one, please, who can cook my son the rice and peas. And she must never give me bun or cheese, or her neck will be squeezed. Said I want Selassie, the mic mash them. I love you. Charlie,
Yeah. Chin.
Come here. Come here.
Colonel Joseph Wales.
Yeah, man.
Local John.
Lady Anne.
General Trees.
Fountain Livingston.
Brigadier Jerry.
So where's fucking Chin and
Foundation. That is high. Please give them a big round of applause.
No man, more noise than that. These persons are responsible for the dance hall that we have today.
Yeah, man.
We are proud of the culture, we're proud of the music. More forward than that, man. There is no way that we could celebrate sound system culture and not invite the veterans that set the pace.
And the thing about it is that back in the day, there was no YouTube, Instagram, so for us to bring them here now, so when you can see them, some people decided that are under the age of 4 and 5 and experience the real Caribbean vibe. So people document it, tell the kids about it, and give Irish and Chin a big round of applause.
Cheers! I want to say respect to everybody that's been helping us 20 years. We couldn't do it ourselves. Big respect, of course, to the Irish and team. Now, don't go anywhere because we got a couple more.
Yeah, man.
We got a little bit more time.
That's no more time. We have more time.
We have a little bit more time.
Yeah, man.
And we're gonna start the fire again. So what I want to say? Same time, back and forth, out and go.
You know what I mean, Chin, right?
Welcome on stage, Mighty Crown and Renaissance. One time.
Good night, people. Hold on, you know, long me there, I wait. Hold on. Everybody with their Soundfest. My voice are gone, so Samity, forward. Cause we're gonna entertain you now, cause this is Soundfest.
Yeah.
You understand? So,
はい、元気でしょうか皆さん。はい、日本がやってましたからね、ちょっとだけやらせてください。お願いしますよ。Greetings, people. Let me play some little bit of tune. I don't know the time ago, but all the way from Far East, me a coming. I tried far, you know.
and we tried from Jamaica.
Last time we did 3 weekend and chill it.
Sell it.
So right now, I just want to extend it. So who am I play first? Me can play my one first? Alright, people. Big up all the New Yorkers. If you are pro New Yorkers, make some noise. Where me Brooklyn people there? Where Bronx there? Where Queens Massive there? Big up the Mexicans if you're not there. Puerto Ricans in the house. Where me Japanese friend them there? One of them. Represent ya, man. Big up my Caribbean people. Where the Guyanese people? The Trinidadian, St. Croix, St. Lucia. And me, I represent reggae music and dancehall. Whether you like it or not, 26 years me, I play reggae music and dancehall. And me not stop doing it. Look on me figure now. Me look like a Japanese, but me black in my heart. So all who believe in love, listen my voice, Junior. One finger up, they listen. Until blood, all the Jamaican people. Hey! Renaissance, Jazzy.
Let me tell you something. I'm going to shoot at the park. Shoot at the park. Shoot at the park. Shoot at the park.
Mercy, get your doulas and get we gun first.
Everybody let's go.
Baby, gonna find your charm in your attention. Disrespect is what we must fight.
Pull up. People, all through the years, just look how me I look. Just because how me I look, them a fight me, you know. Them a fight me, but more I tell him this.
No one knows my struggle. They don't know my trouble.
Big up all of the foundation, artists and the soul man them.
They don't wanna see me rich. They wanna see me
Level Ninja, all who accept the Japanese in the business, bust a block in the air.
All who love Jamaica, put your hand on here. All who know the Bounty Killer, one of the baddest gun on here. Shut it.
That's what I've said. That must be led, the hunger must be fed. Hey yo, I'm looking. Through this way. Hey yo, nobody cares.
And Jamaica independence. This is one of the baddest songs we change Jamaica. All who represent Ghana.
That's all. Nobody knows.
Look what we know.
Look into my eyes. Tell me what you see. Can you be my friend? Am I your enemy?
People, big up Arsha Chin 20th anniversary, a long time that. But Jamaica independence 55th Ghana now, don't it? All proud Jamaican inside the building, you know, so you not forget where you come from. Listen to one ya. No. I see you win. Sing along.
Let me tell you this. When them say Soundfest, Mighty Crown and Renaissance, one time, you know why Chin sent for it? You know why?
Inside it, pull out the teeth. And if you don't like it, the whole night you feel 45 minutes, you see? Dog on do it. Follow me now. Jaman away, them want to figure it out. And this I get away, them want to figure it out. And all the dogs, all of them a push it out. From over Sterman, it's all the way they pick it out. When more up and down.
I want to see the one park and jump. Everybody jump.
Caribbean people, let me talk to you now. One thing Caribbean people are tell me, you know, we not take bother from people. Lie me I tell. Oh, you can't stand up in your girls, bust her black like this.
Alright, I'm gonna take bad up. I'm Mr. Simon. Summit to kill them for Party crown, we don't frighten for nobody. But we respect everybody. But we better than everybody. Party crown can run anybody. Can't no sound no better than we. No boy no better than we. The man we cannot say. Run up against and country. Crown no in a better long time.
Jamaican people, no boy can't bad we up. Summity, Japan, Jamaica, the J and the J will represent one squeeze.
Yo, go out like that. Before you get a chance,
Everybody goes up.
so hold your back. Renaissance, hold your back. Them uncle bad fi make car. Fi make
Jamaica are the baddest in the world.
you know no hard between us not hard. And a Renaissance, Renaissance, Renaissance.
Well, JA to JA connection. So you know when you touch the road, you know where the people that talk about Jamaican and Japanese people, you know where their nickname is?
Mighty Crown,
What?
Simon. One bag of clash trophy pan winner. Champion son, you know the name of Bingo. Come by the stage for the anthem.
Ah, champion, lion!
Watch it up. Banshella, we are the goddamn sound. Mighty Crown, we are the champion sound.
People, all Jamaican, Kosabado. That is one. But you know what? Jamaican always I say, squeeze.
We send them on me. Boy dead like street dog. Remember in a the graveyard. Boy, you a vampire, you have a flash. Pussy when
I want to walk
on
up.
the arch. M1 rifle strap on from a block. Crack your skull like calabash. Pussy a dead man and she in a traffic. But the ever was a man show to the hatchet. You don't know nothing about badness, watch it. Mac 9 go deal with your cabita. Say them a bad man, I liar them.
All real Jamaican sing.
Fire them. I coulda wire them. Marcus me free wire them. Go suck you.
Big up everybody inside there, Roy Wilkins Park with your real friend there. What's a blank for your friend them right now? Me a talk about the real one, them and no fake one them me a talking about. Cause if you get drunk and you drop out, you know that your brethren are gonna pick you up and carry you back home. Listen to one ya.
Mighty crown them now I like coming. Far East rulers not any country. So you fuck with the family, just try them boy. True for the feel, no need nothing to it. Dance and reggae music, you hear it.
You see them here? You see them on here?
After all, this mighty crown in the fall. For right clean up
Me, represent Jamaica. You see, everybody here, sir, we are Jamaican. My voice can't, but me a business, me a work for one. Everybody here, sir, my friend. I love the whole of them. But let me tell you something. If you have a friend and him sell you out, see, America is a place to make some money and we'll go back how we are out. Cause Donald Trump and him think me not like his squeeze.
Yeah.
Every Jamaican rise.
Can't talk about for me, this is
What? So you see like how him play that big song here, can I play my big one here too? Listen to one here, I don't know this though.
Yo, mighty girl. Yo, mighty girl. Come on, rubber band, come and stop this. Simon, come on, rubber band, come and stop this. Something coming in the street.
Pull up. Time are running out.
Time short. But you see everybody in the park now. A beer vibes in here. All real gangster, we not take no bother from nobody. Squeeze the tune.
I can't stop. Does it feel rich and happy? Can't stop with. This is what the gangster life is like. Promoting at the rate of one time I ride the bike. But I said a girl in pussy tight. And everybody might have to kill a bump from their mother womb.
Jazzy, you know say we cuss bad word to certain boy them, you know. We cuss bad word to certain boy them who not like the woman them. You know me at all, don't? Jamaica people, Caribbean people, you know when me attack. No, we not like them boy there. AKA we call them FISH, fish boy there. Bunty would say, hey yellow, murder them. Jump the water. I want to